are taking the Pie in Your Eye Challenge.
Ammon, how much are you giving?
I'm donating $3 to kids.
To Save Kids? Okay, put it in the bucket. Mosey, what about you?
I'm also donating $3 to Save Kids.
What about you?
I am donating $6 to Save Children.
And I'm donating $15 for me and my wife to Save Kids.
Okay, so the pie in your eye is pie or whipped cream that you get smashed in your face.
Smash it in his face.
Okay, Mosey. Okay, Mosey.
Mosey, your turn. Here.
Quick.
Here, Mosey. Get Christian. Okay, Christian. It's Dad's turn.
Okay, Dad.
All right, Mommy, I'm giving you the big one.
Oh, no. Seriously?
Yes, it's your turn. Here, let me video this one. Let's see if I got you good. Okay, here we go. All right. Now you got to do Ammon.
Okay. Okay, say go to you. OUR.
This goes to Operation Underground Railroad to help save kids that are sold into slavery, and it's good.